This video you will learn how to convert Figma UI to Flutter code. After completely watch this video, you will convert your Figma design to Flutter code. So let's start this video. So you can see this is my Figma UI design. Now I will convert this design to Flutter code. So first of all, I download this design UI. I already download this. You simply download. After download, you click here and add a file. We just select this UI design. After select this design, I overpaste this prompt and just enter. Now guys, please wait a few minutes. This UI design converting to Flutter code. If you need this prompt, comment guys prompt, then I provide this prompt description or comment. Now we can see this coding UI design code ready. So we can see. Now I will copy this code and go my Android Studio and simply I Control plus A, select all and delete this all and paste all I have. Now I will run this app and see what happened. You can see design is same to same, but there is no image here. Now I will download this image. I simply download this and I will create here assist folder. You can see this assist folder under this image I upload. Now this assist folder I create simply assists, and now I paste this design. I simply paste this design here, and this now name is welcome and enter. Now I simply this welcome. Now we need to change pop page. We need to change this, otherwise image not showing here. Simply enter and just assets. Now I will run again. After run this app, before run this app, I click PubCat. You can see guys, image not showing here. Here is the problem. I delete this image. Don't have this image folder. Now I run again app, and you can see our design completed. Our design create completed. You can see the same to same, but some problem. This button color not showing. I just simply this change this button color here. Logins, pin, style, textile, colors got white. Oh, cool. Okay guys, this primary button I change this color. Now we can see this button color, this text color, white now. I recommend you guys, if you are a beginner, then you don't use ChatGPT or any AI. So I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.